Hey, Guido here from Trailside Talks. And of course, another day with GoPro fun. A couple pieces of the video might be missing due to overheating and shutdown. And I totally blew the intro because I forgot to double check how much capacity my SD card has. Alright, let's move on with the video. Okay, here we have the actual light bar and the wiring harness. The light bar itself comes with 2 brackets, 2 longer bolts, 2 shorter bolts, 2 nuts, 2 washers, and 4 lock washers. The light frame itself comes in 2 pieces, driver side, passenger side, and in addition 4 spacers, 4 bolts, 4 lock washers, and 4 flat washers. For the tools we need until we make it to the electric, we have a ratchet, an extension, T40 socket, 13mm socket, 5mm hex socket, or 5mm T-handle and an 1/8 T-handle. Before we actually install the light frame, we have to take it apart. For that, I use the 1/8 T-handle hex, and we remove the logo plate. So now that we removed the logo plate, we need to remove the retainer plate. As you can see, just those 2, same tool, same idea. Two screws, retainer plate, done. Okay. Onto the install. Okay, so in order to remove those 2 bolts, ratchet extension T40, in order to install those, we need 2 spacers, 2 washers, 2 bolts, and our 2 lock washers. Take our bolt, lock washer, flat washer, that goes to the frame, and then the spacer, and replace the T40. All right, let's give that a try. Frame, bolt, thanks birdie, and the spacer. All right, 5mm hex. All right, so far so good. Okay, same on the passenger side. Jeep Live symbol. Let's remove it. Since we already know the light bar is 50 inches long, let's see if we use the short or the long bolts. About 52 inches. Alright, the longer bolt it is. Let's take the retainer plate. Get the screw in here. Oh, sorry, bolt. And screw it in. So we know we need 2 extra inches, which means about an inch on each side, and yeah, that should do. Alright, let me do the other side for you. And since I'm flying solo today, I figured going through the roof should be the fastest way and the easiest. Okay, 1 down, 2 down. Oh, 13 millimeter. Yeah, sorry. Not sure how much of the footage was lost thanks to GoPro and overheating in the middle of the sun. But some help of some extra nuts got it secured. So now we just gotta put those little suckers back together here. Okay, I just gotta do the same on the other side, and then I will figure out how to route electric. So yeah, here it is, nicely installed. But as you can imagine, option 1 I goofed up with this nice cable. Jesus, son. Or B, it's too big anyway to get through here. Any way, shape, form. Do a nice snip here. Take the original harness, cut into pieces. Come through here, underneath, and connect it right there. Okay, here goes nothing. So what I managed so far is take this cable, or what's left of the harness, and managed to get it underneath and out here. Alright, let's get the wire strippers and put some cables together. Wish me luck. Negative ground, based on the size. That's probably the main light. Okay, it's just my theory here. Yep. Okay. Yep. That's the right one. So, just for good measure, some shrink tubing. So I'm sure we can use it at the end. Okay. Okay. Time for some crimping. Okay, one down. Okay, crimping part 1 is done. Time for some heat shrink. Okay, a little more heat shrink later. A couple inches of electric tape. Well, could be worse. All right, time for some zip tie magic. All right, I like it. So next, now let's get those through there. So, just to be safe. What could possibly go wrong? Key fob not detected. Yep. Good point. Let's go get it. When I go grab my key fob, Why don't you hit the subscribe button? Yep. What do you say? It's working. No BBL, you can. Alrighty. Light off. Light on. Love it. So, wasn't too difficult. Now I just gotta wire up the rest. Alright, so for now, I'll leave it as is. And thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. And hope to see you next time. Bye.